Adding by carrying over. Preparation. Convert into tens. 9 units plus 5 units equals 14 units equals 1 tens 4 units. 14 units equals 110 4 units. 4 units plus 8 units equals 12 units equals 110 2 units. Addition by carrying over. 15 plus 9. 5 units plus 9 units equals 14 units. Now 14 units equals 110 and 4 units. We shall carry over 110 and move it to the tens column. Now 110 plus 110 equals to 2 tens. Thus 2 tens and 4 units means 24. So 15 plus 9 equals to 24. Let us try one more example. 28 plus 17. 8 units plus 7 units equals to 15 units. 15 units equals to 110 5 units. The 110 here is carried over to the tens column. Now 110 plus 2 tens plus 110 equals to 4 tens. Thus 4 tens and 5 units means 45. So 28 plus 17 equals to 45. Now look at the picture and do the same. 110 and 2 units plus 2 tens and 8 units. Now let us add 2 units plus 8 units equals to 10 units. Now we will carry over 110 to the tens column. So 110 plus 2 tens plus 110 equals to 4 tens. 4 tens and 0 units means 40. Thus 12 plus 28 equals to 40.
Addition without carrying over. Children, what do you exactly understand by the term add? Let me explain. When we put two or more numbers together to find their total value, we say we have added the numbers. For example, if you have 5 chocolates and your sister has 2 chocolates, keep your 5 chocolates and your sister's 2 chocolates together. Now count all of them together. You can see that 5 chocolates and 2 chocolates together make 7 chocolates. Thus, you both have 7 chocolates all together. Let us take another example. If you bring 3 toy cars to your friend's place, your friend has 2 toy cars. Question: how many cars are there all together? Answer: keep together your 3 cars and your friend's 2 cars. Now count the cars. Thus, there are 5 cars all together. Question: what did we do in both the above examples? Thus, if we want to add the numbers 3 and 5, we arrange them as: first, write the number 3. Put a plus sign. Then write the number 5 and draw a line below 5. There are two ways of writing numbers in the addition form. When numbers are written one below the other with a plus sign, this is called the vertical arrangement. For example, 3 plus 2 can be written in vertical arrangement. When numbers are written side by side with a plus sign in between, this arrangement is called horizontal arrangement. We can draw dots or lines besides the given numbers to be added. Then count the dots or lines. This will be the total of the given numbers. Say, for example, if we want to add the numbers 4 and 4, see the first number. It is 4. So draw 4 dots to the left of 4. The next number is also 4. Again, draw 4 dots to its left in the space provided. Now, count the dots. We have counted totally 8 dots. Hence, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now, see the next example. We have to add numbers 7 and 5. Here, let us draw 7 lines besides number 7 and 5 lines besides the number 5. Let us count the lines. We have counted a total of 12 lines. Hence, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. To add 9 plus 7. As we do not have 9th row, look at the 9th column and 7th row. From 9 in 9th column, 7 squares downward, and from 7 in 7th row, count 9 squares ahead. We reach 16. Thus, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Similarly, the other additions can be performed. If it is given, what plus 4 is equal to 12? Then, check the 4th column or 4th row. Count squares ahead or downward till you reach 12. You will notice that 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 5 and 2 makes what? Solution. Here, 5 and 2 means you have to add the numbers. That is 5 plus 2. After 5, count next two numbers in your mind. That is 6, 7. Thus, 5 and 2 makes 7. Najma had 4 flowers. Then she took 3 more. How many does she have now? Solution. After 4, say next 3 numbers. That is 5, 6, 7. Thus, answer is Najma has 7 flowers. Let us solve a few examples from the exercise. Question. Add by counting forward. Draw lines or dots for help. 6 plus 6 is equal to what? Solution. Draw 6 dots as we have to add 6 to 6. Count the dots after 6. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hence, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now, we come to a very important part of this chapter, that is, adding two-digit numbers by writing them in tens and units. Let us take an example. Add 76 plus 21. Solution: 76 is 7 tenths and 6 units. And 21 is 2 tenths and 1 units. Now, place the numbers in their places. Add the units place digits first. In the units place, we have 6 plus 1. We have to add 1 to 6. So, draw one line. Count lines from 6. We get 7. Thus, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Write 7 in units place. Now, add the tens place digits. That is 7 plus 2. We have to add 2 to 7. So, draw 2 dots. Count the dots from 7. That is 8, 9. So, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Thus, write 9 in tens place. Hence, we have 76 plus 21 is equal to 97. So, always remember to write units under units and tens under tens for proper addition of numbers. Now, let us write the following units as tens and units. 8 units plus 5 units is equal to 13 units is equal to 1 tenths, 3 units. 4 units plus 6 units is equal to 10 units is equal to 1 tenths, 0 units. 7 units plus 8 units is equal to 15 units is equal to 1 tenths, 5 units. 5 units plus 9 units is equal to 14 units is equal to 1 tenths, 4 units. 9 units plus 1 units is equal to 10 units is equal to 1 tenths, 0 units. Now, you can write the given units as tenths and units directly. Example: 17 units is equal to 1 tenths, 7 units. 15 units is equal to 1 tenths, 5 units. Did you all notice something? In a two-digit number, the right-hand side digit is the units place digit. The left of units place digit is tens place. Hence, given a two-digit number, we can directly write left-hand side digit as tens and right-hand side as units. For example, in 59 units, 5 is in tens place, 9 is in units place. Hence, 59 is equal to 5 tenths, 9 units, and so on. Now, children, let us learn how to write a combination of tenths and units. For example, if you have to add 1 tenths and 13 units, how will you write? Solution: a chain of 10 dots is in 1 tenths. In 13 units, there are 13 dots. So we can put 10 dots together and make a chain of 1/10. The remaining 3 dots are 3 units. Now, we have 1/10 and 1/10 and 3 units. 1/10 plus 1/10 is equal to 2/10. Thus, 1/10 plus 13 units can be written as 2/10 and 3 units. Let us take another example. If you have to add 2/10 and 12 units, how will you proceed? Solution: 2/10 are shown as chains of 10 dots each. 12 units means one chain of 10 dots and 2 units. We have 2/10, 1/10 and 2 units. That is 3/10 and 2 units. Therefore, 2/10, 12 units is equal to 3/10, 2 units. 1/10 and 17 units can be written as 2/10, 7 units, because 1/10 is added to the 1/10 of 17 units, which is equal to 2/10. The remaining 7 units are written as it is. 2/10, 11 units is equal to 3/10, 1 units. 1/10, 15 units is equal to 2/10, 5 units. 1/10, 14 units is equal to 2/10, 4 units. 2/10, 17 units is equal to 3/10, 7 units. We will now learn how to add by carrying over. Let us add 14 and 9. Solution: place the numbers vertically. 14 means 1/10 and 4 units. 9 units is placed below 4 units. Now, 4 units plus 9 units is equal to 13 units. We can write 13 units. Now, let's solve a few more addition. 24 plus 8 is equal to what? Solution: place the numbers vertically. In units place, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 units. 12 units is equal to 1/10 and 2 units. The 2 units are written in units place, and 1/10 are carried over to tens column. In tens place, we have 2 plus carried over 1/10, which is equal to 3/10. Hence, 24 plus 8 is equal to 32. The carried over tens may be written at the top or bottom of tens column. In the addition, 25 plus 7, the carried over 1/10 is written at the bottom of tens column. In the addition, 36 plus 8 and 54 plus 6, the carried over 1/10 is written at the top of tens column. Let us add 9 and 73. Solution: place the numbers vertically. In units place, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 units. Write 2 in units place. Carry over 1/10 to the tens column. In tens place, the carried over 1/10 plus 7/10 is equal to 8/10. Hence, 9 plus 73 is equal to 82. Children, you need not show the carried over tens in the tens column. You can keep it in your mind and show the additions. Let us see this example. Add by carrying over. 26 plus 8 is equal to what? Solution. Write the numbers vertically. In units place, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Write 4 under units place. Carry 1, write it on one side. Keep it in mind. In tens place, 2 tens plus carried over 1 tens, which is equal to 3 tens. Hence, 26 plus 8 is equal to 34. Question. Add. Write carried over tens on one side. 36 plus 6 is equal to what? Solution. Place the numbers vertically. Units place has 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 units. Write 2 under units column. Carry 1. Write it on one side. Thus, in tens place, 3 plus carried over 1 is equal to 4 tens. Hence, 36 plus 6 is equal to 42. Question. Add. Keep carried over tens in your mind. 57 plus 8 is equal to what? Solution. Place the numbers vertically. Units place has 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 units. Write 5 under units column. Carry 1. Keep it in your mind. Thus, in tens place, 5 plus carried over 1 is equal to 6 tens. Hence, 57 plus 8 is equal to 65. Next, we will learn addition of two two-digit numbers by carrying over. Question. What is 58 plus 26? Solution. Place the two-digit numbers vertically. In units place, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 units. Write 4 under units column. Carry over 1 to tens column. In tens place, we now have 5 plus 2 plus carried over 1 tens is equal to 8 tens. Write 8 under tens column. Hence, 58 plus 26 is equal to 84. Question. What is 66 plus 24? Solution. Place the numbers vertically. In units place, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 units. Write 0 under units place. Carry over 1 tens to tens column. In tens place, 6 plus 2 plus carried over 1 is equal to 9 tens. Hence, 66 plus 24 is equal to 90. Instead of showing the carried over tens, add and carry over in your mind. For example, 23 plus 58 is equal to what? Solution. Arrange the numbers vertically. In units place, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 units. Write 1 under column. Carry over 1 tens column by keeping it in mind. Now, in tens place, we have 2 plus 5 plus carry over 1 is equal to 8 tens. Hence, 23 plus 58 is equal to 81.